If your UGREEN power bank suddenly stopped charging, don't worry. You're not alone, and most of the time, it's a simple fix. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a quick foolproof checklist that will help you pinpoint the problem and get your power bank working again. Stick with me till the end, because the last tip can save you from an unnecessary replacement. Let's jump right into it. First, check your charging adapter. Many UGREEN power banks are designed for fast charging, which means they work best with adapters that output around 65 to 70 watts. If you're using a low power adapter, maybe something from an old phone, your power bank may not charge at all. Swap it with a high wattage charger and see if the indicator light comes on. Next, test with another device. Plug the power bank into a phone, tablet, or even a Bluetooth device. If it charges other gadgets normally, the issue might actually be with the cable or the device you were originally trying to charge. This step helps you confirm whether the power bank is the problem or something else in your setup. Now, inspect the battery health of the power bank. Carefully check if there's any swelling, cracks, or if the unit becomes unusually warm. These are signs that the internal battery may be wearing out. Also notice if the power bank drains faster than usual or takes much longer to charge. That's another strong sign of battery degradation. Then, make sure you're using the correct charging port. UGREEN models often come with multiple ports, but not all ports are created equal. Look for the USB-C port labeled Input, Output, or Fast Charge, as that's usually the primary charging channel. Switch ports if you're unsure. Sometimes a single port malfunction is the entire issue. If you've tried all of these steps and your power bank is still not charging, the best move is to reach out to UGREEN support. They can guide you through model-specific troubleshooting or help you with a warranty replacement if needed. And that's it. These quick checks solve most charging problems without any tools or technical skills. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which step fixed your issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.